To ensure your donor knife remains waterproof permanently, maintenance should be performed at least every 3 months. For this, use only oil that is safe for contact with food. Important, using a different type of oil may contaminate food and cause functional problems. We recommend using the special food-grade oil and oil pump provided with the product. If necessary, these products can also be ordered separately. First, loosen the easily visible Allen screw in the oiling hole, insert the tip of the oil pump, and pump oil until a little comes out of the hole. This oil discharge is very important. This indicates that the oil reservoir is completely full. Attention! The Allen screw should only be tightened so that it is flush with the surface. Do not screw it in too deep. Otherwise, the screw may fall onto the blade and damage it. The curved design of the syringe makes lubrication easy, even in hard-to-reach places. After filling, your blade will be reliably waterproof for at least 3 months. Tip: regularly relubricating with food-grade oil maintains optimal cutting performance, extends the motor's lifespan, and ensures lasting waterproofing.